What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to your boy. So in today's video, I'm going to replace the battery on the Beamer. Now yes, out here in Boston, it's freaking snowing and whatnot, so it's winter out here. But now we gotta replace this battery. So this is pretty much all I use to replace the battery. 12mm. This one is a 10, just like a 3/8 ratchet, flathead screwdriver. Now, when you get to over here, the battery, this is the battery I chose a long time ago. This battery is about 5 years old. But when you get over here, positive, negative, the terminal over there, I believe the nut was 10mm, and the same on this side. I already took them off. But then also, what I don't have is there's like a battery holder on this side. It's like a long stick. You have to unscrew that. I believe it's like a 10 or 12. And then there's like this bracket that goes like from here to here, and it bolts on to like that where that screw is at. I took that off, and as you can see, like I have like a music system, air suspension and whatnot. So that's what all these other wires are. Now let me go show y'all the new battery we're putting in here. Boom. So this is the battery we're putting in here. I got a pretty good deal on this battery, like really good. So these are the specs for it. It's one of those AGM technology batteries. I believe the one in the Beamer is the same, that Bosch one's AGM. But yeah, shout out to Mark and Keon for getting me this battery. I appreciate y'all. I'll probably put their like Instagram here somewhere. But yeah, those are the specs. It's a H8 December 20 AGM. So it should be good. We'll try it out. The other battery lasts me about maybe 5 years, so AGMs, they should hold a lot of power in them. So I'll tell y'all, those batteries are dumb heavy. Here, I give y'all a little update what the Beamer looks like. Boom, there she is, straight fire. So now we gotta put this battery in there. That's freaking huge. That's a 4-gallon tank right there. That's a huge battery. We gotta fit that there, so let's get this one out. The fudge. Whoo, yo, this thing's mad heavy. Damn. Mission accomplished. Oh yeah, that was something else right there. But I just want to put them side to side so y'all can get some sort of comparison. One is Bosch, one is Die Hard, so y'all can look at that. And this one's a little smaller. See that? This one's 850 cold cranking amps. This one's 900. Well, let's actually make a good thumbnail. Alright y'all, so yeah. Well, it looks like I got ice right here. But anyways, that little bracket holder thing, it should be on this side, like around here somewhere. But that's how it is with the batteries out. Now we're gonna put the new one on. Oh, there we go. Yes. Alright, should be easier now. Watch it not be. Okay. All right. All right, should be good. All right, so we're gonna start it up now. To be honest, I haven't started the car for maybe like a week or two. So let's see how it sounds. Damn, I don't know what happened to the audio, but it sounds good. I mean, this is the cluster right here. 191, almost 192 on the miles. There's no Christmas tree. Sounds pretty good. I'll give y'all a little exhaust clips. I don't know if y'all heard this car in a while. The car's been on for like 5 minutes, so we should be good. Got the dogs barking and whatnot. They hear a monster and whatnot. I don't know if y'all could tell, but like in the front, for some reason in the front, it sounds like a supercharged turbo car. Let me see if y'all can hear it. I don't know if y'all hear it, but it has like this whine, like whoosh, whoosh to it. If you haven't yet, follow your boy on Instagram, A1Brian. I don't know if y'all can hear like that knocking noise. It kind of sounds like from the engine bay. It makes it sound like a diesel on the way. Pretty sure y'all could probably hear that, but if any of y'all come across that noise or what it could be, let me know in the comment section below. I would like the engine to be a little bit more quieter, so if you know, let me know. I've heard that it could be Vanos. I've heard that it could be a fan clutch. Some people say timing chain, guys, but I don't think so, because I've heard that before, and in my opinion, it sounds a little bit more like keys jingling around. This one's more of like a knock-in. So if you know, let me know down below. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Definitely, if y'all enjoyed this video, give this video a like. I hope it was helpful for y'all. Let's put everything back together now, put the parts away and whatnot. Have been on YouTube for a little bit, but it's okay. We getting some things out there. Definitely do the battery. The battery was at like 5 volts. It was terrible. I couldn't bring it back to life, so I had to get a new one. But we should be good for another 5 years, hopefully. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to your boy, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.